Chief Justice Malaba, retired 21, might have saved Mnangagwa, but constitutionally, he never saved him. Sarapena mashukobla tokopana panatawani mbovu. Achuya achicriticize the move. Adona pangwa anatona mtukamiri wenyika achipa the retired Chief Justice Malaba a package atukona kuti Malaba adoziva kuti now as he is retired pangwa ino he is venturing into agriculture. Pangwa ino mtukamiri wenyika anoya achimu appreciate achimupa machinery yaita kuti akwanise kunoita agricultural process ake nezvakanaka. Ndobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Chavanimbopa mudajira chiti that is why the sight of him receiving a thank you or a service gift is deeply worrisome. Justices are paid from the common purse and not from a politician's back pocket. That's an inflexible tenet to be jealously guarded to the last lawyer standing. The gift is, however, legally significant in that it retrospectively taints every pronouncement that has ever been made by Malaba for the benefit of Mnangagwa. That is how the law on bias operates. A court order tainted by bias or at the application of a concerned party be set aside. Whatever the consequences, bias, just like fraud, unravels everything. Doma developments are kuda pangwa ino achitaurwa awa natavani mupofu. Mbodza mafunguro enyu not kudipa msobe this package. Adona mtukamiri wenyika anoya achipa awa the retired Chief Justice Malaba no comprise of a sprayer, of a UD, a truck, puncturing a tractor. Recommend section medals of food anymore to be on the page. Recommend section medals on subscribe or like, puncturing on the bio icon.